GN155 set is one of the specialty products available in the DAM series of microphones. It's 155 centimeters tall with a double bend, utilizing all the same capsules that the rest of the line uses, and a very small heavyweight base with a complete ring of rubber to isolate from mechanical noise on the floor. It's a very elegant solution for a stand-up announcer on any stage. The GN155 set can be converted into the GN155 choir. That's done by the addition of a KM260/1 black, which is a heavy bass stand with a rubber ring to isolate from mechanical noise on the bottom, and an adapter. This adapter is a KM216 5/8 female mic thread to a 3/8 male mic thread. Once this adapter is put on top of the stand, we can now take the gooseneck portion of the GN155 and screw it on. We can adjust the mic down and up to great heights, and this allows us now to mic a large choir with these in front. We also have all of the selection of the different gooseneck capsules that are available in the DAM line, everything from shotguns to cardioid capsules. To create the GN155 wireless choir, we cut the cable from the GN155 and put mating connectors on it. The female 3-pin TA3F goes into a wireless pack, and on the end of this long cable we put the mating male TA3F. This allows for later use as a wired device if necessary. The UWA-9M allows us to secure the wireless transmitter to the wireless choir. It can now be carried on and off stage quickly and can be used with any wireless product. To review, we have the GN155 set. We add the KM260/1 black mic stand and the KM216 black 5/8 to 3/8 adapter, and the UWA-9M for holding the belt pack transmitter. This is a great specialty product line that you won't see from other manufacturers. The HM1000 is a hanging microphone. It's on a 10-meter cable, so that's 33.3 feet of cable to work with, and terminates in an XLR connection. It's a condenser microphone, and it uses all of those same DAM series capsules, so you have 5 different choices depending on your application. It has gold-plated contacts for that same high-quality connection. When you apply phantom power, there's an LED ring that will show that the microphone is active and that it's properly wired and should be giving you signal. The LED can be turned off by removing the correct jumper. Use it for recording a choir, hanging in a corporate boardroom, or any place that you find this to be advantageous.